Alright, let's see if this will work. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Treadmill. Treadmill. Let's go. Treadmill. Good boy. Off. Off. Good boy. Sit. Wait. Wait. No. Wait. Wait. I know. Good boy. Treadmill. Treadmill. Come on. Treadmill. You were doing this like flawlessly about 5 seconds ago. Good boy. Treadmill. Treadmill. Come on. Treadmill. Good boy. Trigger blitz. Oh, that's why you had your collar on last time. Alright, come on. Good boy. Treadmill. Good boy. That knew it was going a little bit faster last time. There we go. Good treadmill. Good boy. Alright. Good boy. Let's incline it a little bit. It's still inclining. Trying to work up his muscles and get rid of all his pudge. Alright, still going up, still going up. Come on, treadmill, come on. Speed up. Alright, good boy. No, bad treadmill. Okay, there. It'll either go up or down, it won't stop. Okay. Good boy. Keep going. Keep going. He loves the treadmill so much. I really don't know why. But if I hit, it's at 2 miles an hour right now. 2.5 miles an hour. Come on, come on, come on, come on. He loves it. He used to get so frustrated whenever we would put him on this thing, and now he won't let me run on it without him bugging me. Though he doesn't understand how to trot yet, he just understands how to fast walk. Alright, let's slow him down. Let's see. Let's go back to 2. Down here. 1.5. Let's get it to go back downhill. Get it to go flat. Keep going. No, don't go up front. Keep going. Oh, don't trip. It's going back down flat, boy. Treadmill, good boy. Good treadmill. Don't you dare go up front. Stop it. Good boy. Oh! Good boy! Did you like that? Look at your tail. I know you want to go back on. But I wanted to show everybody how much you love the treadmill. What? What? See, now we can't see you. You're on a black floor. Alright, say bye. Bye-bye. Okay, chasing tail, same.